Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x8024a205. We couldn't install this feature update, but you can try again later. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best match should come back with Troubleshoot Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath Options, select Other Troubleshooters, and then underneath Most Frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and the Run button. And if it's able to locate or resolve any issues on its own, hopefully I would have been able to resolve it. If you're still having an issue, something else we can try here as well. If you want to open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. I'm going to go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. So go ahead and copy the first command in the description of my video. It's the System File Checker utility. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select Edit and paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that first command's done running, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video, and then go up the top part of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select Edit and paste it in. Give us a couple minutes to run as well. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and then restart the computer. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.